Hi, welcome to APTS Educational Channel. Today, in this video, we'll discuss about profit and loss. This is specially meant for class 6 students who are preparing for Sainik School, Navodaya, and all other entrance examination. So let us learn some terms before starting profit and loss. One is cost price, and we denote it by CP, and another one is selling price SP, profit by P or gain. Some may use profit, some may use gain, both are same. Loss. Okay. What is cost price? The price at which we buy a product or article. What is selling price? The price at which we sell the product or article. So in some questions they may give you item names. In some questions they may not give you the item name. Instead of they may give you the article. Like the cost of an article is 50 rupees, or the cost at which the article was sold is 70 rupees. Something like that they'll give. So no need to worry. Next, when we'll get profit, when we'll get loss. Let's see. When we'll get profit, if you buy at lower price and if we sell it for higher price minus lower price. That is, if we sell it for higher price and if we buy it for lower price. Let us take one example. Yeah, profit. We are discussing about profit. When we'll get profit, the selling price is more than cost price. When selling price is more than cost price. So the difference between the selling price and cost price gives us profit or gain. Let me take one example. I I bought apple at 50 rupees. Okay, I bought apple at 50 rupees. Now I am not interested to eat it. So what I'll do, I want to sell it, and sold at rupees, let's take 70. Now at what cost I bought? At 50 rupees. This is cost price, 50. What is the selling price? 70. Now, as I said, if selling price is more than cost price, what I'll get? Profit I'll get. So definitely I'll get profit here. Profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 70 minus cost price is 50. So 20 rupees is the profit I gain, or gain also I can use. Now let us take one more example. I bought an article, some product or something, and I bought an article at rupees 100 and sold it at rupees 120. Find the gain or profit. Some students may not able to get the details, so read it twice or thrice until you get what they gave. I bought an article at 100 rupees. So bought is nothing but what? Cost price. It costed me how much? Cost price. Cost price is rupees 100 and I sold it. Okay, I sold it at rupees 120. If you look at here, SP, that is selling price, is more than cost price. So I will get profit. Profit is selling price minus cost price. So 120 minus 100. So 20 is the profit I'll get. Yeah, we'll move. Instead, sometimes they may ask you the percentage. Okay, gain percentage, profit percentage, or loss percentage. Whenever they ask us profit percentage, right, we know, right, what is that? Profit by cost price into 100. Or let me write down. Profit percentage is, what is profit? We know profit is selling price minus cost price. So here profit I'll write down SP minus CP by CP into 100. This formula you need to remember. It is easy to remember. This is also okay if you know. See, whether it is a profit or whether it is a loss, when it comes to percentage, what will do? Profit by cost price into 100. If it is a loss, you will get the same thing by cost price only will do. Let us solve one problem. Example. Rahul bought watch for rupees 1000 and he sold it at rupees 1500. Find the profit percentage. Percentage. No, let us solve. What is my cost price? 1000. Selling price 1500. Profit percentage, what is the formula? SP minus CP by CP into 100. Let me substitute the value. 1500 minus 1000 by 1000 into 100. What I will get? 500 by 1000 into 100 here. Two zeros, two zeros, 10, 10. So it is 50 percentage. So what is the profit percentage you got? 50. Now we go for loss. When you will get loss? When cost price is more than selling price. When cost price is more than selling price. Let us take I bought. Okay, I bought pen for rupees 100 and I sold it for rupees 50, half the price I sold it. So what happened? Definitely I'll get, because I bought it for 100 rupees. I paid 100 rupees to buy that product. Now I'm selling it for what? Half the price. So definitely I'll get loss. Find the loss. Find the loss. Loss equal to CP. CP is nothing but what? Cost price minus selling price. What is my CP? At what price I bought? 100 rupees I bought. So let us write on here the side. My CP is 100 and SP is 50. So 100 minus 50. So 50. So loss, I got a loss of 50. If I do business in loss, definitely I won't be able to continue this, because money will be not sufficient to continue this business. So every person who want to do business, the main aim is to get profit, right? Loss percentage will loss percentage loss percentage. Same thing. What? Loss by CP into 100. What is loss? Loss is CP minus SP. So loss percentage formula is CP minus SP by CP into 100. We'll solve one example. So the formula is clear. Seema bought what a bicycle for rupees 10,000 and sold it the next day for rupees 8,000. See, if you buy some new product and if you want to sell the next hour or the next day, no one will purchase it for the same price. Definitely they'll ask it for reduction in the price. Find the loss percentage. So yeah, let us write down the details, or let us write down the formula. That would be better. Loss percentage formula is what? CP minus SP by CP into 100. Now what I need CP value, SP value. That is more than enough to solve this problem. I'll get the loss percentage. What is my CP? At what price I bought? Oh yeah, Seema bought 10,000 rupees. At what price she sold? 8,000 rupees. So loss, what is the loss? She got 10,000 minus 8,000. Loss equal to P minus S. So 2,000 is the amount she got loss. 2,000 by, what is my cost price? 10,000 into 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, yeah, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 1 zero. So 20. So what is the loss percentage? 20. We'll solve more problems based on loss, profit, gain, loss percentage, profit percentage. Thank you. Thank you.